Alright everybody, welcome back to Supreme Tech. Today I'm going to go over exactly why you need to have a VPN, and I'm going to show you the very best VPN that you can get for your money's worth. And you can also check in the description, guys. I'm going to have a link straight to this. It's going to have an amazing deal that you can get that's going on for a little bit longer now. So look at the date of this video, and it should be going on to the end of this month, I believe. But it can be going on a little bit longer than that too. And if this is a couple months down the road, trust me, check back with it. They got other deals that happen all the time. So just make sure, like I said, check out in the description below. And let's get right into showing you why exactly you're going to need a VPN and show you the best VPN to get. Alright, first things first, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on them post notifications, smash that like button, really helps us out. Let's get right into this. So guys, basically, I'm going to talk to you about IPVanish today. Now, if you haven't ever heard of IPVanish, this is like the best VPN that's out there. Okay, everyone's promoting this VPN. A lot of people love it. I have it personally. This one is not a free one. You know, I talk about some other ones that are free, but honestly, this one is 10 times better than the free ones. They got so many more features, and if you catch them on a day like today, or this month where you can catch a deal that they got, you can get this for such a good price that, you know, it's worth it, especially if you buy it for the whole year or a 3-month package. You're going to get so much value out of it. So let's just break down to you why you need a VPN, then I'll go over the prices, and also we're going to go over what devices you can use this on and all that good stuff. So stick around to the end of the video and let's get into showing you why you need this VPN. So first thing, if you read right here, it says IPVanish provides a secure environment for everyday internet activity. Once you establish a VPN connection, all your online traffic, that means your web browsing, video streaming, messages, file sharing, and everything else, passes through an encrypted tunnel while your identifying IP address is concealed. So that means no one will be able to know what you're searching, because a lot of companies will pay for your data. So you got to remember that. There's also a lot of hackers. So basically, if you see right here, this is you, and it's going to go through your VPN. So everything going out from your computer and everything coming back in is going to be totally encrypted. So nobody's going to know your IP address. Nobody's going to know, nothing about you. They can't, if you're on public Wi-Fi, they can't get it. There's no hackers, no firewalls. Not even the government can track this. So it's a very good thing to have. Now let's scroll down here. We're going to go off a couple reasons why you need it. And I'm right here actually on the IPVanish website, ipvanish.com. You can check this out yourself if you want. But basically, there's 4 big things to why this is great. First one is you're going to get access to websites and other media stuff without restrictions. Now, if you're in certain countries or certain places, they might not let you use a certain program or a certain website because you're in a certain country. So what this does is you can pick what country your IP address is coming from. So say you're in the United States and you can't get into something and you have to be, from India or China or England to be able to use that. You can go ahead and put a India or China or England IP address, and it's going to let you go to that site or use that program. So that's a very big thing. A lot of people use it for, there's some gaming stuff that applies to. There's some free movie and TV show stuff that applies to. A lot of different stuff. So moving on to the next one, it stops ISPs from interfering with your connection. This is something that I figured out. I've messed with a couple of VPNs through the years, and this one, your speed is about the same when you're using it and when you're not using it, for me at least. Now, some of the other VPNs, you could go down as much as half the speed. So that's what you get with a lot of the free VPNs. But, at least you're protected. That's something that you got to think about if you want to keep your internet connection as a fast connection. So this is a great one for keeping your internet at a fast speed. Next reason, guys, is going to be prevent snooping and spying while you're on public Wi-Fi. And this is huge. A lot of people try to get into people's computers and their information, their credit card information, all that when they're on public Wi-Fi. With this, you're going to be way more protected than you ever would be without it. I always tell everyone you're never 100% protected. If someone tells you that you're always 100% protected, don't believe it. There's always a risk. With this, it's going to make it extremely hard for people to break into your information. And lastly, the last thing is it's going to keep your online presence and information private. So this is what I was touching on earlier, where all your information, the websites you go to, your credit card information, all your search history, your cookies, all that, people pay for that. Companies pay for that information because then they can market to you and try to sell you stuff and advertise to you based on where you go to on the internet and your search history. And with this, it's keeping all that private. No one's going to be able to know it. And it's going to help you out a lot, guys. So just remember these 4 things here. Now, let's go to the pricing, okay? This right here, this is the usual pricing, okay? $10 a month, $7 a month if you get the whole year, and $9 a month if you get 3 months. And you can save these percentages. But if you use my link in the description, you can get these prices here. $5 a month for a single month, $3.25 a month if you get the whole year, billed at $39 for the first year. So that's a great price for a whole year. And then 3 months for $4.50 a month. Now, I would just tell everyone, if I were you, get the whole year. You're covered for 12 whole months. But if you can't do that, at least get the 1 month or the 3 month. You're going to be set for a little while longer. Give you a little time to figure out what you're going to do. And then it also gives you time to figure out if you like this program or not. But if you get this, I guarantee you're going to like IPVanish. Just look on the internet. There's going to be tons and tons of promotion for this. It's because it's the best VPN that you can get. And they also do a 7-day money-back guarantee. So that's always happens, whether it's a promotion or not. You'll get this 7-day money-back guarantee. And like I said, guys, these are the prices. So look them over. See if you like them. See what you want to do. And then this is the normal prices. So $10 a month really isn't that bad. But like I said, you could go ahead, get the whole year for $40 and you'll be set. Now let's just go down here and I'm going to show you one more thing. Now here's a couple other things about IPVanish. You got user-friendly apps for all your devices. That means your computer, which is, Windows, Mac, Linux, all that. It's going to mean your Amazon device, so your Fire Stick, your Fire Cube. It's going to mean your tablets. It's going to mean your cell phones. It's going to mean all your devices. You're going to be set. And also you can see here you can have 10 connections. So that's 10 different devices that can be connected at once. And that's a lot of devices, guys. 10 devices. Think about it. You can have your Amazon stick, your cell phone, your computer, your tablet, your kid's phone, your kid's computer, your kid's tablet, another Fire Stick device, a couple more cell phones. That's 10 devices is a lot. So think about that. And I'm pretty sure you can always up this to more devices if you pay a little bit more money. And also, I forgot to mention, you're going to get this Sugar Sync free with the promotion that I'm doing. You get 250 gigabytes of Sugar Sync encrypted storage. and backup. So that's huge too, and that's going to be completely free. And you can just read over this, guys, and see these are a couple different features that you're going to get with IP Vanish. So you can get unlimited bandwidth, you can get 40,000 plus shared IPs, 1,400 plus VPN servers, and 75 plus locations. No traffic logs, you're going to get a web proxy, access to censored apps and websites, 24/7 customer support, and this is huge. Also, your 7-day money back guarantee. So that's about it for the IP Vanish, guys. I just want to give you the little rundown on everything this is about, why you should get it, how much it's going to cost to get it, and also, like I said, look in the description. There's going to be a lot more information down there. You can click right on the link. It's going to bring you directly here where you can save 73% with that $325 a month if you get the whole year, or you got the $5 a month or $450 for 3 months. All these are with the Sugar Sync, like I said. So comment down below, let me know if you've had IP Vanish before. Let me know if you like it, if people have it. Shoot in the comments so other people, let them know your recommendations. And also, if you don't like it, people want to know the truth. So go ahead, just put it down there. Be sure to check back on the channel, guys. I'm going to have all types of other stuff on this. How to download it. I'm going to show you how to use it. So be looking back on this playlist. I think that about does it for this video, guys. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Turn on them post notifications. Smash that like button. And I'll see you in the next one.